Sometimes it can seem that we are trapped in darkness, and in the darkness there are only our problems. The trouble is, in darkness our bodies go on alert. Our senses focus on any possible threat. We can't see the big picture. Taking the first few steps can seem like a massive task, and we feel like we can't do it. We know we should reconnect with life outside, but it is too big a task. So don't try to do it all at once. Choose an achievable small task. Something tiny. Maybe get dressed, wash, tidy up your room, or talk to a friend. Not all at once, just one task a day. Do that task for several days, then add another. Wait a few days or weeks, work at your own pace, then add another task. Maybe pick up something that used to make you happy, a song, a hobby, an activity. Add a brief period of that to your day. Set a challenge to yourself to write down 3 things for which you are grateful each day. Keep at it, don't rush. It may take some time, but each time you achieve your task, it will start to rebuild your confidence. When you feel ready, add a reason for going out, such as a short walk or meeting a friend for coffee. Step outside your house. When we are alone, our problems can dominate us. When we make meaningful connections, friends can help us see those huge monsters for what they are. Manageable. You will still have sad thoughts and feelings about life, about things that happen to you, but you can build up the resilience to weather them. The first step is often the most difficult step, so remember, don't try to do it all at once. Make that first step easy. Don't set a task so huge you won't do it. That will just reinforce the feeling of being trapped. Making that first step simple makes the next steps easier. By making your steps easy and achievable, you will move forward, and with time and patience, you will find yourself on more even ground. Life is full of beauty and wonder. Yes, there will still be clouds in the sky, still be challenges. Life will still throw difficulties, but you will be able to see them for what they are. You will know that they will pass. Like clouds being blown across the sun is still there. There is still joy to be had from life. In time, those clouds, like all other clouds in your life, will pass, and the sun will shine again. So go on. Set the first step, a small one, remember. You can do it, and start your journey now.